you guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Prissy and I've been gone for quite a while. It's been like a year or two, a year and a half. I've been having a lot of things going on in my life, but I'm definitely glad to be back. And today I'm going to be doing like a quick little mommy slay. These are for moms who kind of don't have time to do makeup, but they want to try to make time for it now and want to look very, decent, put together, but kind of slice. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to hydrate my face using the Clinique Moisture Surge. So the foundation I'm going to be using today is by The Ordinary. This is a really great foundation if you want a natural look, and it's the serum foundation. So to apply it, I'm going to be using my Real Technique brush. It looks pretty shiny, but don't worry about that because what you do is you just set it with powder and you're good to go. So what I'm going to use is a cream concealer. This is by Double Wear and it's in the shade 4N Medium. So cute. Yep, so this is the Double Wear cream concealer. And I'm using my Lancome number 8 brush. It's a nice concealer brush and I'm just dipping that product. So I like to take my concealer all the way up here to my nose because I like to contour, and I like it to be highlighted on the sides just to give it a really nice look. So I'm going to go back in the concealer. I'm going to hit that other side. Okay, I'm going to be using Double Wear's Stay in Place Flawless Concealer in the shade 5N. And this is like a, neutral, like the foundation. Well, all of it is neutral. Okay, so the next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to go in with my Laura Mercier setting powder, and this is in the shade Transparent. Powder, I'm going to be using Estee Lauder's Double Wear. This is in the shade Rich Cocoa. Now, I know you guys noticed why she's using so much Estee Lauder. Well, guess what? I used to work for Estee Lauder. So that's why you see me using so much of Estee Lauder. And I love Estee Lauder's brand. Especially the Double Wear foundation is like my favorite go-to. And I'm going to just put it all over my face. So for the moment, I've been really loving the Morphe 3502 palette. So this is a palette I'm going to use. If you don't have this palette, you need to get your hands on it because it is amazing. Like, the colors are just fantastic. Now, I'm going to be using this brush. This is my Anastasia brush that I got with my makeup palette. I'm going to take this shade right here. I forget the name. I threw away the little clear thing with the names on it. But I'm going to take this really chocolatey brown and I'm going to put that right up in the crease. Okay, so I'm going to take the next shade. It's going to be more deeper. I'm going to take this shade right here and put that right in the crease. What I like to do is kind of make a line, if you guys can see it. Turn this way. I don't know why I'm facing that way, but I hope you can see. I'm just putting it right there. I'm gonna try this gold shade right here at the top. I'm just gonna like lightly dab it. So during this part, you don't really need a brush. I'm just gonna dab this color like right on the lid. Before I start on my eyebrows, I'm going to go ahead and with this black, and I'm going to put it on the outer. And I'm going to be using my Fern Blender E44 Sigma brush. And I'm just going to put it right here at the edge. And see, what I'm doing is kind of like I'm making a wing. So next, for my eyebrows, I'm going to be using Dip Brow Pomade by Anastasia. And I'm going to be using the shade Chocolate. Now for this, I'm going to be using a Clinique eyeliner brush. Looks like this. Now to clean up my eyebrows, I'm going to use my Double Wear Concealer in the shade 5N just to clean up everything. And then what I like to do is get like a fluffy brush. This is my All Over Blend E37 brush from Sigma again. And I'm just, blending that out. I'm going to take this shade here, and this one is called New Wave, and I'm just going to blend it into the crease. I'm just placing it right now. Now I'm going to go in back to my Morphe palette, and I'm going to take the lightest shade in here, this one, and I'm going to pop it right in my brow bone. Now I'm going to take my Anastasia, what is this called? Clear Brow Gel. So the next thing I'm going to do is put on some mascara. I'm using Estee Lauder's mascara, and this is the Sumptuous Bow Volume Lifting Mascara. I have the little new one. Okay, so I finished the mascara, and that's all I'm gonna do, because remember, this is like something that, you know, doesn't really require eyelashes. It's just, you know, just to look polished. Go ahead and do my lips. And for my lips, I'm going to be using the NYX lip pencil, and this is in the shade Espresso. And this is the Ruby Kisses liquid lipstick, and this is in the shade Honey Bunny. Put a lip gloss on it. This one's Beauty Rush. It's like a Victoria's Secret lip gloss that I got. decades ago probably. So I'm going to take that and put that in the center. And then I'm going to dab some of my Anastasia lip gloss. This is in the shade Toffee. Now I'm going to put on some highlighter by Bobbi Brown. And this is the, do I have it upside down? No. This is Bronze Shimmering Brick Compact. And I'm going to take my powder brush. I know you guys probably think that's weird. Why is she using a powder brush? I don't know. It's just, it makes my makeup look so good. And I'm gonna go in with my Firm Blender E44 brush by Sigma Cosmetics. And I'm actually gonna go into my Anastasia Subculture palette, and I'm gonna go into the shade All Star, which is this shade here. I know I've been hearing a lot of, you know, bad things people saying about this palette, but honestly, in my opinion, I really like the palette. And it's just that it's just a different type of eyeshadow. It's like kind of loose pressed pigment eyeshadow, but it's very pigmented. I don't have any problems with it. I did hit pan on New Wave, but I've been using that like crazy. All right, you guys, so now this is the final look. I hope you guys really like it. This is the on-the-go Slay Mommy tutorial, so you guys can try this look. It's very easy, simple, and it's like a, you know, whenever mom goes out and do something, maybe hang out with her friends or something, this is a really good look, you know. So thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure you like and subscribe. Bye.